guys, and welcome to the third episode of Exploring Kerala Motorcycle Diaries here on North Meet South by Satish and Stuti. In today's vlog, we're gonna have scenic ride. We're gonna go to the hilltop village, and on the way we're gonna capture some breathtaking scenes, as well as we're gonna have many viewpoints. And as usual, Motorcycle Diaries here continues with our Royal Enfield 350cc ready champion to take us any part of the day, anywhere, any place, right? So today we're gonna have lots of fun. We just stopped over here since I like the bamboo trees, so we just stopped over here, and there's a nice little brook flowing from here. You can see lots of local geese over there, ducks and geese over there. They all came down to drink some water. I can also spot hens. This is the beauty of village, guys, and you're gonna explore more on the way. So stay connected with us, right? Please remember to like, share and subscribe our video. Write to us, and those of you who really want to, they are in your mind to come to Kerala, guys, remember to keep on subscribing and to keep on watching each and every vlogs of ours, because we're gonna show you some untraveled places, right? Wonderful, breathtaking places, beautiful places, right? Without paying much to your travel agent, you're gonna explore awesome beauty of Kerala here on North Meet South by Satish and Stuti. See the green land behind me. I don't know all types of trees. I can spot some gulmohar trees, right? And many other big trees. Just to stand and see the glimpse of this little place over here. From my perspective, rest all is covered by this huge bamboo trees, but it looks awesome. So come along, we will start our bike and we're gonna take you to hill village of Kerala. Stay tuned to us. These trees are so unique for me. I don't know. Like so much. I don't know the name of these leaves. Look at the length of the leaves, Babre. It's like almost from our wrist to the elbow. That much long leaves. I don't know the name of these leaves. And now I think we are on a nice, good broad road, Ani. So this was the same, ground where we just stood. It was behind my back. Now you can see how awesome this place is.
Part of Western Ghats. In Maharashtra they call they call Sahyadri, right?
Okay, yeah.
But in here in Kerala they call Sahya Parvat.
Sahya Parvat. Okay. And this is a small truck with logs of wood on that. And I really want to shot sometime how they, make some noise and they load the thing. Something in Malayalam I can't read.
District nursery.
For plants.
Yeah, for plants. District nursery for plants.
Okay.
I think they have lots of experiments with. I remember they have silkworms.
Yeah.
They have a cultivation of silkworms around this region some years back. Since I am from here, I know it like 15 years back. They had this silkworm cultivation here. I don't know what happened to that. Not 15 years, long time back, 20 years maybe. Yeah. But I was trying to say that
this is part of Western Ghats.
Look at this. See, there are some nurseries probably.
People are working over there.
Part of this one.
Yeah. Lots of small plants are here in Black Metropolitan Park.
We're able to go and shoot all that with the high. It's a high-tech nursery. And they do the sales also here.
Okay.
Wait, I'll show you the board.
But then everything is written in Malayalam. You have to
I will
tell us. You have to translate, because even I can't read Malayalam.
The State Farming Corporation of Kerala Limited is a Kerala government industry. Okay, high-tech nursery. And
one thing I can read on this board is 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. That's what I can read.
Actually, we could have go and see this, but since we are going for another trip, that's why we are not getting into this now. Probably in another vlog we will do this.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll cover this. We'll go to a viewpoint now.
see how steep this road goes up. So we are taking this road.
No, I'll just go up and down. Don't fear. Sometime some
Tigers and lions will come out.
no lion,
Okay.
maybe small leopards.
Then I will say to them, Satish, just don't be glad. We are.
This place has changed a lot.
Uh-huh.
Look at this flower.
Look at these little flowers. Wait. Let me go and take one clipping of this.
What is that?
I don't know, some wild flowers. I'm loving it. I love flowers. I'm not plucking, I'm just capturing them.
Come, let's go.
Your chinu is crazy here.
Huh?
This side also, see? By the time you turn, ooh lala, next to the road, man, come on, this much beautiful things where you will get. Next to the road you have the flowers blooming up. Okay, my master says we gotta keep going.
Master.
Yeah, come on. Oi.
With Sudhi coming in, the bike is going back. Look at that mountain. The shape of that mountain. Oh my
Thickly
god.
covered with
No, we haven't seen the edge of that mountain, no, over there.
No.
But there's
Hey, there's a
a canal.
canal over here. Water is there.
The same canal we went upload.
So friends, as I told you, there are many viewpoints over here on our way to the hill village, right? So this is the first stop that we have taken. It is, as Satish told, it is Sahyadri Mountains.
Sahyadri, they call it
in Maharashtra
Maharashtra.
language they say it. I don't know in Malayalam what you call it. And there's a small bridge over here. A couple of houses adjacent to this brook. Oh, lovely. And there's one lower bridge out over there. Wow, this is
Come down.
deep.
Come down.
Wait, I'm just seeing. I'm not jumping from here. Don't worry. The same canal, the aqueduct one. Aqueduct, right? Aqueduct, I don't know. That's good. Fresh water, clean and nice.
You know what? What is this tree name? We call Vatta here
I
in
don't
Kerala. I don't know exact
I
name
don't
of
know.
this.
Hey.
There's not
It's
much
quite
water.
deep. There's not much water, but it's quite deep. It's quite deep.
You can find lots of cashew trees over here. These places.
You have to show me, please, okay?
Yeah. Look at that.
The trees, it's like
The trees.
slanting, no?
I don't know how far we'll be able to. We are able to shoot this.
Yeah.
Correct?
And from here, one road goes down.
Yeah.
Maybe for the people to go down.
Yeah.
Seems
No,
a
we are not
bit,
going that far.
dense. It seems to be quite dense and scary. And Satish has already scared me, telling that, you know what, small leopards can come out. So I better not go and venture into this kind of small goody roads. And let's continue our journey. There are a lot more viewpoints and lot more beautiful things out waiting for us on the Kerala Hill Village.
Yeah, what tree is it? Can you guess it?
Nahi pata.
This
I
one?
don't know.
It's very common, huh?
Imli ka peड़.
Yes. Not imli.
ये वाला ना? This one, no.
This
one, no.
This is not imli.
Then
Nellika, gooseberry.
gooseberry. Okay, amla.
Avla, sorry, avla.
Amla ka peड़. But there is no amla in this.
There's no avla. See,
No.
you can see over there. See.
Ah, correct. You were right, buddy. I can see 2-3 amlas over there, right on top. Very difficult to catch it.
First time seeing an avla tree?
Yeah, seriously.
Okay.
Kerala, beautiful.
Want to see a
In the
tiger?
road down, side of the road also there is
Doing the hide and seek.
hide and seek. Correct.
There's so much of things to see, right?
Right.
You are a real nature lover.
Yeah. Kerala is the best place. Come down.
And take a higher one bullet or something.
And go
When
for
you
road
ride-
trip like this.
Road trip like this, you will enjoy. Careful here. Since the road is new, na?
It's a large acre of
Did you see
land.
the small boy?
Only chota baby, Konyo baby.
Looks like
at
he's
the
gonna
way.
come to you.
Hello. That is so sweet. Kuttu baby. He's wagging.
Maybe some other day.
He's wagging the tail baby. In the good road. This is nice. Hey man, look at. Look at this dog. He's sleeping in the sun. Again, another small bridge. Good, they don't litter, they don't make it dirty.
This water
There
is
are
coming
some
from
farmers
the.
working over there.
This water is coming from the
Coming from the
waterfall
maybe.
area.
നീരാകാശം നലിവാഴീളെ മനസ്സിൻ മഴയിൽ അലയായി ഞാൻ ദൂരെ ഏതേനോ മേഘം പോലെ അലയുന്നു മോഹം തേടി
Some sound I'm getting. Some sound I can get it. So I'm enjoying the vlogging here. Stopping at different beautiful places and showing all my friends out over there. Now I was hearing some sound and I told Satish to stop. He said let's go. I said no, let's go and check what the sound is all about. So friends, as people say, they're in the mouth of the river, right? And now I would say we both are standing for you guys at the mouth of a waterfall. It's the mouth of the waterfall. There's no safety measures over there. The place is all swampy, marshy. It's damp, right? My shoes are actually going deep inside. But this is awesome. This is awesome to catch. First time I'm seeing the starting point of the waterfall. This is the same fall that we saw it over there in Guadalajara mini Kucharam place, right? One old granny over here, right? Please sit. Amachi, sit. We have shot a granny over here. She has a small tea shop over here, chaya kada, and we are going up to the mountain. And we told her that we will come back and have tea with Amachi over here. Okay, so see you. And Satish is ready over there. We got some spectacular shot over here. freshwater brook. So let's continue our journey. Let's continue our journey to the hilltop. We don't want to waste any time. Yeah, leave it. Thank you. So the localites are very loving. They are very cooperative. Although they are talking in Malayalam, and Satish can comprehend very well.
They are asking us to shoot so many things.
Yeah.
Even they are telling me to go closer to the, the mouth of the
Waterfall?
waterfall.
No. I don't have any safety gadgets with me with which I can hold my husband. So we have to be careful when we go. In excitement, we do love to go closer, but then we need to, be careful. A smooth, level road, so we got to be very careful. So that is nice.
A small village here.
And this is the small village,
south.
Udayanchira. Some electricity shops are also there. So very relaxed. Hey, hello boy, where are you coming, da? Some small shops are
Very relaxed. Place, no?
yeah, so hustle and bustle, look at that. Look at that. Open sound, not many trees. And all over there is a goalpost over there. Oh, this is the beauty of village life, right? Away from all the hustle and bustle, it gives you so much of calmness and peace, relaxation, respect for the love of nature. Boy, I'm taking boy.
Please are liking our videos.
Please write to us.
Please write to us. Right now we are actually covering Kollam district.
Yeah,
Now we'll go to Pathanamthitta after that.
yeah,
That is, we want to cover all 14 districts of Kerala.
yeah.
Yeah.
On our motorcycle diary. So once again, a gentle reminder, all those of you who are planning to come down to Kerala, you want to check out the beauty of Kerala, please do keep a close eye, watch our everyday video right at sharp at 12 p.m. Don't miss it out, because this all could be a real helpful travel tour guide for you, although we are not tour guides, right? But then by doing it, we are learning it. The road is going again down.
But the problem is stay away from the side.
Stay away from the sides, because the sides of the roads are not leveled, as I showed you.
Now let's say it's a
Tapioca plantation, and next to that is
rubber plantation.
this is banana trees.
Banana trees. Yeah.
Tapioca and banana growing together, and look at that, guys. The wind got it. The rain got it, not the wind. The rain got it. And there are two goalposts over there. So both the side people will play. How is it possible, da?
Two teams can play. No.
Two teams can play simultaneously. Then how about the ball? It goes right and left.
This is Mangod.
This is Mancode. MANCODE. Am I right? Work in progress, it says.
There is a
What is this?
primary health center.
Primary health center.
So this kind of medical, small hospital, you can find it now across all villages of Kerala.
All villages of Kerala. Wow. Yeah, health facilities are really very good over here.
It's a small town, and this actually they are taking up Kasharagana.
It's a junction because I don't know the name. It's a small junction, no problem. But we have all necessary things, food and clothes and vegetables. Good. But this is Nagpur.
First time you're
We have Akshaya. Yeah, first time I'm coming over here.
Marvin store.
This is the supply co office over here. Not office, but shop over here. And this side. Also the shops are closed, right? Evening time, they close early over here.
Everything is done here.
Yeah. Library, okay. Satish has to help me because everything is written in Malayalam. So we found a healthcare, we found library. Good. And of course all the necessary. So there is one auditorium. Wow, there's an auditorium also. Friends, I can hear another waterfall.
We just stopped the bike
We
here.
just stopped over here since I like this place because there are lot many coconut trees and it looks awesome. This place, I really like it, and I can literally hear the waterfall.
You know what? We are here in the wrong time because it's already late.
Yeah,
I mean, time wise is just 4:30. You know what time is it?
yeah, 4:45
4:45. But
p.m. in Indian Standard Time.
but past few days the sun is setting. No, sun is not setting. Actually, the
The clouds are hampering.
clouds are hampering. Otherwise, see this.
Look at these flowers.
Look at these flowers.
Take
Like this?
one close up, Lily.
Like this, there are so many.
May I pluck one with your permission in your land?
It's a wild one. You can do it.
See, so I'm
Oh,
gonna
wow.
put it over here.
How? Show me. That's a good one.
Let me check it out if I can. Generally,
Look
people
on the
put
side. The sun.
a big flower over here, a big flower. Well, I got one wild, small, cute little flower. But I love flowers, even if it is wild. It's so beautiful for me. So,
Okay,
chalo,
chalo, let's go.
Let's go.
I think it's
And
about to rain now.
We'll try to catch up with the. We'll try to catch up with the waterfall. On the way, Satish is telling we might get one waterfall. So let's go and check out that waterfall as well. We had awesome ride. Sometimes up and sometimes down. Yep. Sometimes up and sometimes down. But it is beautiful. Look at that, guys. There starts our bullet. Royal Enfield. The most trustworthy bike for the rider. Hey, Bapre, it's like a full valley down here. Sure.
Coconut trees. How beautiful this is.
And the road is also so beautiful.
Is it beautiful?
Yes, why not? If everything is smooth road, then there is no fun of driving the bullet. You have to have this kind of bumpy road, then only it is fun to drive. अरे बाप रे चल मेरी बुलेट टुक 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 Oh, what a lush greenery and sun rays falling on that. This is amazing, guys. Look at that. Look at that. I told you, no, there are lot many viewpoints, and we have reached to our Kutti waterfall. A small waterfall. We are driving on that waterfall. See.
I think I don't see in the video.
Yeah, it's a nice spot. Let's park our bullet. So this one is not scary. Satish will give you a better look. He's good with the camera, not me.
I think it's a super mini waterfall, right? Okay. You stand there.
Wrong shoes. I'm with my wrong shoes. Oops, there's an ant on my. How do I go? I want to go there. No.
Come, stand there.
I want to go on this.
Put the
one.
shoes and put it in the bag.
Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Satish is telling me, open your shoes and keep your shoes inside your bag. Be wild in the wild place.
Yeah.
Keep told me we are going for a bike ride. So I was like, okay, we don't need to get down. I never knew I'm going to encounter two lovely waterfalls over here. So sorry, when I see the water, I need to go in. So I am back standing on a little mini waterfall, right? The sound of Hindi में भी say no, कल कल झरने का पानी, okay, कल कल बहता पानी, right?
Let's try to. Careful while walking here. This is amazing. Okay, stay there and come end the video.
Oh, it's nice cool water. It's nice cool water. Hey, don't leave my hand.
No.
I'm really scared.
Careful. Okay, one flower.
And look at this wildflower. How beautiful it is. I was about to show you this.
Okay.
Wow. So, me and Satish together, we were on the mouth of the waterfall, right? And we did that shot. He went a daredevil work to take it with our tall, a fake drone shot. And now I am right in front of the waterfall, the Putti waterfall, the mini waterfall. But still guys, from two different places the water is gushing. We are almost ankle deep in our deep water we are standing. But we are standing here to bring the best of Kerala all for you. So friends, we are here today enjoying the second waterfall of the day today. Right behind us is two different places from where the water is gushing.
Yes.
I am standing on the waterfall, right? Water is gushing underneath our feet. We are almost ankle deep in our feet in the water. There's a beautiful wildflower. Let me do like this. Okay, so there's a beautiful wildflower. I don't know the name, but it just looks so awesome. And we had wonderful journey, wonderful bike ride to the village hill. We wanted to stop somewhere and have a cup of tea, but since it's getting dark, we need to rush back to home because anytime the rain can come pouring down on us. So hope you guys liked today's video. Please write to us in the comment section, give us a valuable suggestion, give us a valuable feedback, right? And your encouraging words means a lot to us. We have come this far only because of precious people like you. It's not a flattery talk. Sincerely, genuinely, we are thanking all of you who are supporting us. Please do continue to watch all our videos from the beginning till the end. And see you on the road on another episode of Motorcycle Diaries, Exploring Kerala, here by North Meet South, Satish and Stuti. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.